So we have the TV here. It's already backwards. I have some of the screws out of it already. Not all of them. It's dusty. Not gonna plug it in because I already did. I guess I want to tell me to plug it in. Just show what it's doing. Even though I can explain it. Fire extinguisher is right there, so it's not like I'm gonna die. Plug it in and it doesn't make a noise. And you come over here and you press the button. I don't know if you can hear that very well. Let's do it again. So you hear it start, and then there's like a sudden popping noise. Well, not really popping noise, and then it just dies. Yeah, and it does another noise when you unplug it. So here I've been just taking the things out. Alright, so I have all the screws out of it. We're going to attempt to just pull the back off. Should get a flat tip screwdriver. This is going to be a problem. Probably should have researched the specific model, but I don't know how visible it is. But the board is attached to the bottom half and does not want to come out because it's also screwed to the front half. So I might end up having to screw it back together and flip it upside down. And again, I'm being very careful. I do not want to touch the electron gun. You know, I'm only an amateur here. Never actually dealt with an exposed tube, so... I will update when I figure out how to get it back. Alright, so the back piece is off. There were screws holding it to the back piece. No, it's off. We can see how dusty it is. Some of the wires have been disconnected, and I marked them to know where they go. Took a picture of this one to know where it goes. This one I'm just going to leave on. Looks like the color controls. Just gonna be cleaning it off because I don't want to work on something this dirty. I don't have rubber gloves, so I'll be purchasing those tomorrow, along with some alligator clips. Oh wow, look. They freaking sticker sheet. I should really get my mask and goggles because this is kicking up dust everywhere. It's hard to breathe and see, but again, I am only an amateur with things like CRTs, things like Super Nintendos I can work on, but these things, no. I had to work on like 3 different Super Nintendos. Did a video on that a while back. Nobody's gonna watch that. Nobody's gonna watch this. But anyway, the point I'm trying to make is I don't know what this thing is. I'm assuming it's a control for intensity or something because it has the knobs or the dials. I know what those do. I've seen those. They control like brightness, horizontal, stuff like that. But as for what the box thing does, yeah, no clue. I'm not gonna lie and say I'm Jesus at 15 years old, but oh, and the fuse looks like it's in good shape, so it didn't blow.